thunder and the lightning, severe threats for parts of the central United States will also include, again, like this evening, large hail, damaging winds, but also the possibility for a few tornadoes. Here's the threat area where it's possible some of the thunderstorms that are expected will be severe. It's possible that could happen here from Texas all the way up to the Canadian border. A lot of, if not most of, eastern Colorado, western Kansas, western Nebraska, eastern Wyoming, even a little bit of Montana could see some of the stronger storms. This is a look at some of the severe ingredients that are going into the threat during the day tomorrow into the evening hours, with the strong winds higher up, warm and a lot of moisture at the surface. Once the air starts to rise, these storms are going to get going. They start to rotate, tilt over, be stronger, last longer with this, all of which could lead to some of the more dangerous weather, which does include the possibility for tornadoes, 2 and 3 on the exclusive Torcon here at the Weather Channel. And if you're going to get tornadoes in Colorado, it is May and it is in June, which is the most likely time on average for seeing tornadoes, but still possible going into the summer months and earlier in spring. But it's really getting to the peak for that. Here's the high-resolution future radar showing storms popping throughout the evening, now even going into the nighttime hours, with heavy rain continuing during the overnight into Thursday morning. So once again, here we go, Jackie, stormy week.
So this is going to be affecting some bigger cities across parts of the West, and the Rockies. Take a look at some of the cities that we're putting on alert for tomorrow for a few severe thunderstorms. We've got Denver, we've got Cheyenne, we've got North Platte, we've got Rapid City, South Dakota. All of these places generally dealing with mostly decent weather today, and a lot of these places actually need the rain. We've been in a pretty serious drought, especially there in Nebraska, where North Platte tying the driest April on record. So now as we're into May, we're getting a little more moisture into these areas. Let's time out the storms here. Let's start out with Cheyenne, where you've got 67 degrees and some partly cloudy skies right now. So we'll start out tomorrow morning. Notice not too bad here already along the Interstate 80 corridor, but some spotty showers are going to start to kick in, and the chances will be increasing as we head towards dinner time. So think 4 or 5 o'clock. If you can get home from work a little bit early tomorrow, I might suggest that you do that. And notice it's not just one little wave of rain. We're going to see some periods of showers, some embedded thunderstorms, some of which could be severe. This is 1 o'clock in the morning, Wednesday night into Thursday morning, and we still could see some hefty downpours. Likely a break in the action during the morning commute then on Thursday, and then, another round of rain and storms. Damaging wind, large hail will be possible, but perhaps some tornadoes. We've got Torcons here in Denver of a 2. Notice east of there into the high plains, we have Torcons of 3. So they're a little bit higher. When there's a number, there's a risk. The numbers aren't huge, but here's what a 3 means. It means that severe thunderstorms are going to be likely, that some of those severe thunderstorms could produce a few tornadoes, and a tornado watch could get issued. So be ready to have to change your plans tomorrow just in case, Denver. Here's a look at the future radar for you. Maybe some spotty showers early on, but development could happen already by early afternoon. Spotty showers and thunderstorms expected to continue overnight Wednesday, even into your Thursday. So I mentioned Thursday. Yeah. Let's talk about Thursday, because, whenever you're talking about an upper level pattern that's starting to move, you can get days of storms, and sometimes they overlap some of the same areas too.
Yes, and we're absolutely going to see that area of low pressure that's going to go across the country. So it's one day after another, tracking its progression, and some of the areas will be back in the threat zone that are in it right now, but this is for the day after tomorrow. And on Thursday, this is where you can expect some of the stronger storms possible from North Dakota all the way down to Oklahoma, into Iowa, into parts of Colorado.